Okay, so in pursuit of putting my S54 back together, I am reusing the pistons and rods, and they're in good shape. Everything's good. I just need to clean them before I put everything back together, right? This is one of the last steps. Blocks ready, cranks ready. I have the bearings, piston rings. I just need to clean these so I can put the bottom end back together. And then I took two rods and pistons and I put them in a bath of carb cleaner, and that did not do much, right? So they've been soaking for a little over an hour, maybe 2 hours at this point, and there's not much progress. I'll show you. I mean, I'm gonna leave them in while I do a 30-minute dip in with cylinder number 3 in this, and we'll compare the two after to show how much this really helps. And this stuff is all over YouTube for making it easier. All right, yeah, I am doing this on the floor, but I went ahead and I cracked this open just like you would a paint can with a little flathead, and it smells really good. I huffed it a few times, got me feeling a little good. As you can see, the basket is provided, and I'm actually gonna glove up because I just got a chemical burn just to pick that up. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take cylinder number 3, which, check that thing out. They're all pretty consistent with the amount of carbon buildup on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and just give it a 30-minute dunk, and then we'll go ahead and compare the ones soaked in the AutoZone carb cleaner to the Berryman Chem dip. All right, it's been exactly 30 minutes, and I'm excited to see the results of our little experiment. So let's check on cylinder 1, which was just in the AutoZone carb cleaner. This was, I'd actually say this was 3 hours of soaking. So there's cylinder 1. And then let's take a look at the piston that spent 30 minutes in the Berryman carb dip. Sorry, this is, comes with a bucket for a reason. Just kind of drags the rod, and wow. It already looks a lot better, but I am gonna ditch the bucket. Okay, then slowly turn it over. So up here, looks like the Berryman put a lot more work in. I mean, but that's not really what we're looking for. So around the skirt, it looks cleaner than the carb cleaner as well. I'm thinking this is gonna be 30-minute scrub, 30-minute per cylinder, and they're gonna come out great. So I'm gonna give this a scrub, throw it back in for another 30, and we'll check in after that. All right, here's an update on the Berryman's Chem dip. Cylinders 1 and 2 are almost finished. I just need to finish them up, kind of wipe them down, get a little bit more of the deposits off. But you can see already, they look great, especially compared to those. So cylinder 5, pretty caked, 200,000 miles in an S54. And cylinder 6, compared to cylinder 1. Looks pretty good. So this is just gonna take some finishing touches, probably some just carb cleaner, spray it off, and then I'm gonna use a little wire cleaner in there, and we will be set.